Guess who? You miss me?
Wait. If it rains up out here on my one.
So we're getting rid of that purple today. What are you listening to? Stop. Holy shit. Hey, long time no see for the 2JZ Civic, man. Jesus, summertime is miserable, bro. It's miserable, but we out here fixing to get some work done. Gives a fuck about the heat. Cause Shiloh ain't got no air conditioning. You even got a window, bro. You wanna have to cut a hole like I did. Damn, look at that wrinkled black. Shiloh's been getting down. You already know how he is with his organization. Everything all laid out. Got the transmission all ready to go. He's wanting to paint his wheels. I don't know why, because I think they look good white. Damn, you got 6 of these? I didn't know you had 6 wheels. Drift spares or what? The hell? If you can't tell by probably the title of the video, but Shiloh got his engine back. Basically what we need to do now is get the thing painted, because if you don't remember, the thing was Barney purple. It was gonna be the Barney block, bro. We should have kept the purple, dude. Been, you know what I mean? The only thing on your car purple would have been the block. I don't think he's feeling it. But yeah, he has a bunch of parts here. He needs painted silver. We're painting the block silver, the head silver, the transmission silver, and he wants his wheels painted silver. Well, we're gonna paint his wheels silver, and then we're gonna have to go over it with the black clear coat like we did my wheels. Basically going for that same look, hopefully. But yeah, we're gonna try to saran wrap his tires right now. Hopefully it works out, because I didn't have any paper, and Shiloh, we're out of fucking paper. What can I say? Don't even need valve cover gaskets, bro. You can just fucking leave that shit on there. Sealed. Alright, Shiloh is finalizing some more prep work on the wheels, and we have the block, the transmission, and all this stuff is all hung up over here. Shiloh pretty much had all this stuff prepped, clean, and ready before we even got here, which I most certainly appreciate, because it's hot as fuck out here. It's so hot that my phone actually keeps overheating and shutting off on me. That's the reason why I probably won't get a whole lot of footage of what's going on, because of how freaking hot Arizona is right now. Gotta love AZ, right, Shiloh? What are you listening to, bro? Alright, but while he's getting those wheels prepped up, what we have here is a self-etching primer, once again made by SEM. I don't know, it's a product that they carry at Old School. It's the paint shop that we go to for all of our stuff. I got my gun loaded up and ready. So everything that's bare metal, basically, we're gonna hit with the etch primer. By then, he should be done with the wheels, and we'll start painting everything.
If you want some, just let me know.
just sit and think about myself, and then there she was.
But we got the wheels over there all primered, got the transmission primered, the block is primered, all the parts hanging over here. Everything's primered. Now we're just waiting to build up enough energy, mix up some paint. I got a bunch of silver. It's 3-1-1, 3 parts paint, 1 part catalyst, 1 part reducer. I'm gonna mix a bunch of that up, and then we're just gonna start coating the shit out of this stuff. And then I'll give you guys a walk around, of course, whenever we're done. Hopefully we can get Shiloh to pull the head off the block and see what pistons he put in there. It looks really nice. Take my word for it.
77, 79, 82, 83.
Yeah, was he hiding it from you?
I was like, what the hell?
In case he was wrong.
95 isn't even that high.
Yeah, but where is that? Cairo?
Yeah.
You go to the middle of the Sahara. That's a really interesting way to spell that.
I don't know how to.
Backspace, I'll tell you how.
Alright, go.
S-A-H-A-R-A.
That's a really interesting way to spell that.
Can you Google Maps and click a spot and find out what the weather's like
there? Just send it. Oh, what's up? It's gonna run down the side of the can, but we're good. Using a water jug, man. Gotta do what you gotta do, brother. Improvise. Alright, we're finished up, man. We're getting everything cleaned up now, basically. But everything came out really good, dude. The transmission looks good, block looks good. Got a really nice heavy coat of silver on there. The wheels are painted, but this isn't gonna be the final finish. Like, we gotta get some clear coat, and probably gonna be over here after work tomorrow, putting a tinted clear over it, just to kind of darken them and give it that, like, that tinted look, like what's on my wheels. You guys seen it before.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. Every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I may.
So what is this here for?
That is for my turbo oil drain. You have to tap that if you have a GE engine because it doesn't come tapped from factory. So it's a -10 by 1/2 inch pipe thread, and I used to tap, just went straight through there. They have flanges for it, but I don't see why people don't just tap it like this. It's so easy. Bada bing. So we tried to just hone it. That didn't do. It went 20 over and that didn't do. So I ended up needing to order some 87mm pistons. Had it bored out and oh yeah, let's pull that tape off here. Those are Wiseco 87mm. Yeah, it's pretty. Can't wait. Damn, dude, this came out good as fuck. No paint got in here at all.
I'm like, what's so